How do you say thank you to someone who gave you a place to live?
One.
Oh, Lord have mercy, look at my house. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you. Thank you. Look at my house. Look at my bedroom. This is sexy. Wow! Wow!
I think she liked it.
This is nice. Thank you, George.
I got one more thing to show you. You ready to see it?
Here.
You ready? All right, follow me.
Catch me, George, if I pass out.
I'm right here. I got you. Come on out, Anita.
Stop it!
This life-changing school cannot function without generous support from donors and volunteers, making renovations very challenging. Although Bloomingdale has been able to maintain its historical charm, there are two spaces that need some serious tuning.
Oh, wow, wow, wow. I can't even comprehend this. When I first walked into the new space, I was just wowed.
And not just visually, listen, hear it.
Whoa.
Right? The sound.
It looked different, it looked elegant, it looked classy. It just took my breath away.
Oh man, this is crazy. This is awesome.
Oh my God.
Wow! It's like, wow! It's like, whoa.
When I first walked into the new concert hall, I just felt really inspired.
The amount of color that's in there, it's like just like the music that's gonna play in there. It's really vibrant.
Feels like we're walking into like a real concert setting.
Come on out. The show is about to begin.
I don't even recognize this. What?
What do you think? Thumbs up, double thumbs up, hang loose, rock and roll. Say it, high five. I'm excited to see you guys. I know it's been a long time, but we got a little crazy here. We finished that basement for you. You guys want to see?
Yes, we do.
All right, follow me. Feel that? See that? That's it. That's air conditioning. That's air conditioning.
Wow.
Every room, every floor.
Oh my goodness.
Head on downstairs.
Forget upstairs. This is so nice.
I love it. This is mine. You know, the idea was to make it a study space, but with that huge TV that I have there, I don't think a lot of studying is going to be done.
She can study and then you can watch TV.
Okay, I'll supervise. All right.
Yes.
Not that you got that corner.
Oh, look at
over
the N right there. Look, N.
there. You need an A.
N.
It's actually a Z.
No, no, no. Get out, get out, get out.
That's your homework cubicle right there.
It's going to be her command center right
Oh,
here.
Exactly.
this is so cool. Look, Olivia.
Mina.
Look, Catherine. You know, I think the space was really thought out.
Oh, you wash and
My
dryer.
goodness. Laundry for me.
Right. Big screen TV for me.
Yeah, a space for Nati and Olivia's space. She loves it, and Catherine is super happy.
The basement is beautiful. George did a good job.
Bonnie?
Yes.
Velma?
Yes.
Are you ready to see what we've done?
Yes, we are.
You ready for a surprise?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Welcome back.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh.
Oh, this is awesome.
I know that this is HQ. I know you guys have people coming over here all the time.
All the time. They're not going to believe this.
Right? Remember the ceiling?
Yes.
How about
oh,
my
ceiling is good. They put it back, Ronnie. They put it back. Oh my gosh, don't cry. Oh, they put it back.
Oh my goodness. We got that pop of color.
Yes.
From you.
Yes. How do you say thank you to someone who gave you a place to live?
Why don't you guys go in?
Coming in and to see the girls' reaction and to hear the reaction to each individual aspect of the room, and George and Andrew, it's insane what they did. I could never imagine merging unicorns and a beach together.
They nailed it.
Look at my wall!
My favorite part has to be like seeing the girls happy. The expression on each and every one of their faces.
Could not have been more perfect for all of them.
It's unbelievable.
It makes me feel like I'm actually in Paris and that that's my room now. Look at my bedroom!
What do you think?
Look at my unicorn! I love it! It feels like home. It does.
I think Nikki would have been so happy. Her purpose on life was to make sure her girls were happy, and I really think that she would have been proud.
Each girl came over and said to me, "Did you see the picture of Mommy? Where was Mommy? They put it in our room." So it's like we're taking her with us into our new home, which is exactly what we wanted. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh.
Holy cow.
Oh, thank you. I wanted to cry. Oh, thank you.
You're a great person.
Oh, thank you. When we walked into our new space, we were blown away.
Thank you, George, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, George!
Kevin, you ready to see what we've been working on down in your basement?
Uh-huh.
You ready for something new?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Is that dirty anymore?
It's not dirty anymore, I promise you that.
Whoa. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
A little bit different, right?
Wow, that was unbelievable.
It doesn't even look. Oh.
So as you can see, we broke it up into a bunch of different areas. This here is the playroom area.
Yes.
Little area for you guys to relax, watch some TV, hang out.
I can't even believe this. This is like beyond amazing. It doesn't look like they're not even the same space.
Really, we're still just the tip of the iceberg. Obviously, we moved your office downstairs. This is your new home office.
This completely doubled the size of our house. I mean, it's just amazing. It's like a whole second house for us because it is the size of our house upstairs, and it's amazing that we have a whole second house that it's still taken care of. It's like, poof, it's done.
Unbelievable. This is crazy.
We have so much more room.
Look how cool this is. Oh my gosh, I just touched it. I touched it.
Okay, watch Maddie. When you wash your hands,
No.
look.
Do not
love it.
Maddie saw the new sink and was like, no, I don't know if I can use this. And then George showed him how to use the sink, and immediately he was like, great.
Wow.
I'm blown away by the ceiling.
It looks like a beach house. So good.
I can't stop saying, oh my God.
Maybe the best letter you ever wrote?
Yeah. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Thank you.
It's
So incredible.
I'm just totally in shock. It's unbelievable. First of all, I didn't think my yard was this big.
I know, right?
And then what has been done here is beyond my wildest dreams.
It's such a testament, like, to who our dad is. Like, he's such a good person, and he would do anything for anyone. So it's really amazing just to see everybody come out.
Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Wow. Really? Look at the what? Oh my God. It seems so tiny up here, and now it just seems huge.
We're not finished yet. You want to see what's behind that door?
I do want to see what's
Are you
behind
ready?
that door. Yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't believe this. This is like the greatest hotel that I never have to check out of. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Can I have parties up here?
Yeah, that's why it's
Can I have all my
supposed to be,
friends
yeah.
just come up here and hang out? Oh my gosh, it's just so zen and nice up here.
There we go.
Oh my God! Wow.
Oh my God. Oh my God, this is incredible. It's beautiful.
The girls had a very big wish list, you know. They wanted their own space. They wanted enough room to put their clothes, enough, you know, their own desk, their own place to do their hair. I'm like, girls, we don't live in a mansion. It's not possible. And to see it actually here is incredible. It's incredible. Didn't think it was possible, and then obviously it is.
Is this enough space for you?
Yeah.
As now that you're teenagers, you're gonna have a lot more homework, high school and whatnot. So yes, you have your vanity, but you also have.
Oh my God, that's so cool.
So when mom says make the bed, you're like, oh, it's made, mom.
Seriously.
I actually gotta get back to work right now. And each one of you guys have one.
I really like my new room because I have my own space, and I like my bed desk. It's really cool. And the closet's really nice. I just love everything about it. It's really cool.
Before, we never could fit this many people in our room, but now we can. Thank you, George, and everyone who helped, because it's really nice in here, and now we have our own space, and it's much better than our old room.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.